Foreclosure Court. It was supposed to be the answer to the backlog of cases at the courthouse. But just a few months and thousands of cases later, it's now heavily criticized by national media and advocates for going too fast.
And it makes you wonder if they're really paying attention to the details.
Administrative Circuit Judge Fred Lawton was hearing a number of cases before Foreclosure Court started. He says 10,000 cases in Orange and Osceola counties have been resolved since July, and it's not moving too quickly.
In a particular morning, a judge could rule on 100 foreclosures between the morning session and the break for lunch. The next day, it could be that the judge could only get to 25 to 30 of them.
Mark Stopa, one of the most outspoken foreclosure defense attorneys in the state, disagrees, saying the foreclosure process is broken.
And what happens is these rocket dockets and senior judges and everything just goes on a fast track, especially when homeowners don't have a lawyer.
Once concern of faulty paperwork made headlines, big banks put a moratorium on foreclosures to investigate. But things are now back up and running. Judge Lawton says it's not the job of the judge to find the proper lending owner, and so criticism shouldn't lie within the courts.
Any individual judge needs to decide the case based on what they hear in the courtroom, based on the evidence that's presented before him or her, and not based on something you might read in a newspaper or hear on a report.
Stopa is urging for government intervention, saying homeowners aren't given a fair chance to voice their arguments. He also continues to stress this process is so convoluted and complex, a homeowner shouldn't go at it alone. Stopa says getting an attorney for just 1 year can sometimes be less than 1 month's mortgage payment, but can mean a world of difference in keeping you in your home. Jacqueline Fell, News 13.